Get ready to take the first step into the next stage of your life at the Holly in Lubbock, Texas, a charming abode worth cherishing for a lifetime. Nestled amidst the vibrant Lubbock neighborhood, the Holly offers a range of fully furnished 2-, 3-, and 4-bedroom apartments tailored to your preferences. Each apartment features a range of contemporary amenities and thoughtfully designed private bedrooms with hardwood-style floors, TV, oversized private patio, a full-size kitchen, and private bathroom. But that's not all. Start your days with a fresh cup of coffee at the complimentary Joe Coffee Bar or work on your gains at the signature Gym Fitness Center. If you're more into peace, quiet, and relaxation, get comfortable in the co-working lounge complete with lightning-fast internet or catch some morning rays at the stunning poolside. As for location, you're just a 9-minute drive from Texas Tech University and 12-minute drive from South Plains College. Satisfy your culinary cravings with an irresistible breakfast at Sonic Drive-In and savor mouth-watering burgers and shakes at Blue Sky, Texas on your way back home. If you need a breather after a long day, Hodges Park and the Buddy Holly Lake Recreation Area are in close proximity. Your perfect Lubbock student housing experience awaits. Don't wait any longer. Visit amberstudent.com to secure your ideal stay at the Holly today.